Okay, today I'm going to show you how to do a correlation and regression using JMP. First thing is make sure your data that you're now analyzing will be in continuous. And this data set I'm having right now also has a sex that you can use to divide your set. So that's making sure that's a nominal. So what you do is you go into Analyze, fit Y by X, choose Rate for Y, Mass for X. You have to make sure that whatever you're doing you have it correct. So if rate comes from mass or mass comes from rate, whichever one is the first thing you look at. So like if your mass comes from the rate applied, make sure you do your rate first. Uh, if you want to look at the sex and see how they affect it individually, you'd go and put it at by. First, I'm going to do it without it to show the results independently and how it would change. So I have that in there, and I hit OK, and I come up with a bivariate fit rate by mass. So then you just come up, hit the little down arrow, then you do fit line, and it gives you a regression line, and it gives you the formula for the regression line. So you have your slope and you have your intercept value there. It also gives you the R-square value right here. It shows you how well correlated uh, rate is by mass. So if I want to look at how the sex has anything to do with it, I would go into fit Y by X, do rate, mass for the X for the Y and X, and then I'd go into by for the sex and hit OK. And then I would have to run the fit line for both of them. So here's for the female. It shows pretty good correlation, and it's the R squared is around 0.76, so that's pretty good. Then if you go down to the males and you do the same thing, you do fit line, you have a lot more scattering around the regression line, and it shows because the R-square value is 0.35. So it's not nearly as convincing as the female, but it does have, rate does have something to do with the mass in this individual. So that's how you do regression and Pearson's correlation for JMP.